Hey guys, I'm the Natural One. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how I am prepping my containers for this gardening season. So I have in the milk crates, I have the stick like that, and so yeah, I did that to all three of them. Give me 1 second. Here are the other two. Okay, and for those of you who are curious about what I line the crates with, this is Mega Block, the stuff that they use for sorry, you probably can't see it, but this is the gardening stuff that they use to line the ground or something. I don't know, but it's this brand. It says Mega Block on it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you probably can't. And for those who's curious about the soil that I'm using, it's going to be a mixture, okay? Even though this is for in-ground plants, but I'm going to mix it up to make it lighter because it's too heavy for the plants in a container. So I'm just going to lighten it up, maybe put some perlite in it or something. So, but this is the soil that I am using for now. Now, for bigger pots like this, that is really big, I am going to cut up pool noodles and maybe put some empty plastic bottles in here, and then put the Mega Block lining in, and then put the dirt on top to help fill it up, because that's going to be a lot of dirt and that costs a lot of money. So I'm also trying to conserve on money. So, but stay tuned. So I just cut up 3 pool noodles. So now I'm just measuring the Mega Block here to figure it out. Since there's no holes around the pot, I don't have to put the Mega Block all the way up to the pot. So I'm just going to make sure it covers the pool noodles, which you can see is underneath. Okay, so give me 1 moment. Also, I want you to see that I am going to use my drill to put in, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. Okay, I'm going to use my drill. So don't forget to put holes in these bigger containers. Now you see how it looks like it's filled up, but it's not. So, because you saw I put the pool noodles in and stuff. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the final results. I'm finally done with prepping. So here's this one. I got even the stackable ones. I got that filled up. So that's nice. I have 3 of them. I had to throw out 3. And so here's this one. And this is like a shepherd's hook inside. So I went ahead and put that in there just in case whatever plant needs to be stored. I mean, you know, supported, whatever. And here are the 3 milk crates. And what I did was also a cool idea. These are torchy sticks here. And I put the light. I'm not sure if you can see, but I put the light on top of the solar light so that way it can shine at night. And also too, it can be used as a stabilizer for my plants. So this is the final preparations before I plant any seeds. Thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. And you have a great day.